Hey guys, this is Fleep, and today I'm going to be showing you an update on the third-person shooter I've been working on. Well, I haven't worked on it that much recently, as I've been doing the tutorial for the one that I recently released, and I was working on my own first-person shooter game as well as some other plugins and stuff. But basically, I did this I think a month and a half back, and I've kind of forgotten to work on it again now. So I haven't put that much work into it, but an extra 3 weeks or 4 from what you last saw. Also, I'm releasing this because I wanted to let you guys know I won't be making videos for a few months, as I have to go abroad to handle some family bullshit problems. So I'll show you what this is, and I'll post the code. I'll post the program on the description, so there should be a download link there for you. So basically, I increased the lines by a little bit, but I haven't changed this all and thrown it all into classes yet, but at the moment I've got something like 3,000 lines here. You know, you can probably break it down by writing it a bit neater. But anyways, I'm going to run the program now for you. So I'll just have a quick look here. Yeah, so I'm going to run the program now for you. Okay guys, so here's the game. Just like before, I'm getting a shitty frame per second, but that's usual stuff. Anyways, just like before, here I am moving and stuff. Here's the AI. You'll see some. If you've seen my first-person shooter game, you'll see that the AI is actually quite good. I had to position these new ones quickly here. This is like a new kind of map that I'm going to start working on. But as you can see, the sky, you got the sun there, which is a sky sphere, which is quite good actually. I used it on an earlier game I was working on. So yeah, some of these will be facing the wrong side because I kind of rushed this, like I said, the spawns, but I simply put them all in each corner, whatever. And so I'm just going to go into the character here, and this is what you saw pretty much before. They're all facing one side, whatever. If I shoot one, they'll come after me. Now this is pretty much the same AI I've written for my first-person shooter, although that's slightly better tweaked, which is what I'll bring into this one. So let's put one in that one now. There we go. I hit one of them. He's coming after me. He's not too happy. So as you can see there, he's hit me one. Just gonna kill him for him, annoying me. I thought I picked up a pistol. I actually picked up the assault rifle, but I haven't got reload. I haven't got ammo coming down. Whatever. I've got an RPG in, which I'll show you. It's not fully done yet. So let me think. Obviously, new things I've got in is AI and stuff. The only thing I haven't done for the AI is the patrolling part, and that will be just the enemy. When I do build my map, I'll look into writing the code for them patrolling from side to side. What else? Well, I've got the shotgun, which I did have before, but I didn't have it doing anything yet. So here's the shotgun, as you can see there. It spreads out the bullets. I keep pressing R because I'm used to reloading on my first-person shooter. But here we go. So I hit these two. Obviously, as you can see, the shot spreads. As you can see, it's taking these both out. It does a lot of damage because I think overall, if every pellet, which I think there's 5 or whatever of them, it will do about 120 damage, and they're not really that strong. The mutant being the strongest. I've been hit once, so as you can see on the bottom left corner, my health is at 90. What else? Polygons at the top. Also RPG, I'll show you the RPG quickly. I've got one or two problems still with the ammo picking up, as you can see. You'll probably see in a second, but so here you go. There's a really crappy explosion. I was going to change that into some decent fire effects because I found some code for that. I was going to implement it into the program. So you can see that is really crap, I know. I'm sure you guys will agree with me on that. So basically all I have is a collision and stuff. That's what I worked on. So as you can see, I'll hit one of these guys up there, see if it hits. And also the RPG, the one you see is basically... Oh, actually, I added this new guy. As you can see, look at what he does. Okay guys, I had a small problem whilst recording that. The frap screwed up or corrupted the file, whatever. So as I was saying, this new guy here, just kind of annoy him. So I had to kind of restart the program because I thought I was down. But as you can see, the new guy, look at him. So he fires those projectiles. I need to kind of improve the way he works by making him shoot in front of where the player's running, so kind of predict where they're going and shoot that way. So I'll have to work on that. What else? Like I said, these explosions are really bad, but I've found some decent code to put them in front of the well, to make it look really realistic. So although that's a lot of lines, it's definitely worth it because it looks quite good. Enemies, pretty much all of them have their attack animations and stuff. Like this one's got this. They're basic enemies and stuff. I don't know if I've showed you this yet, but basically, here you go. Let me just change weapon. Put the assault rifle here, and here we go. So yeah, this is something I included. I found this on a 2D fighting game some guy was working on a while back, and I thought it was really good what he did. Hence why I stole this model. But you know, he's done all the animations and stuff. As you can see, I've got some attacks here. As you can see that. So you can left click and right click, do different attacks. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a bar, like a rage meter or whatever. And once he gets to a certain point, he's gonna go mad, the normal player, and you can transform into this guy for a few seconds. And what he'll do is he'll do a lot of damage per hit, so and he'll take a lot less damage from the enemies. That's the whole plan of it. At the moment, he's taking the same amount of damage. But I'll show you here what happens is if I attack someone. So like I said, ignore the angles that these guys are doing. Yeah, you can still hit me. This is the strongest one out of all of them. So I'm gonna hit this guy here. But yeah, obviously certain hits. Damn, he's hitting me. Yeah, just killed him there. So certain hits will do a lot more damage than others, and I'll probably add more attacks to him. But these are his animations so far. He's got a few more decent ones, but I didn't know where to add them. I'm gonna add jumping for him. He'll look really good when he jumps. I haven't got that yet. Obviously, I got to add reload to the main character's weapons, but I've got the code for that already from my FPS. What else? He's walking a little bit slow because the FPS is about 40 at the moment, which is quite bad. Let me think. So yeah, guys. Pretty much, I won't be making videos for a while. So I'm hoping it will be something like a month in a bit. I might make. I'll probably keep writing these if I can get access to a computer down there, which I should be able to. I don't know if I'll have internet at all. I might not have any for a while, but if I don't, I'll keep working on this in my first-person shooter, which is going quite well at the moment. So I'll keep working on these, and as soon as I'm back, I'll release some big updates for both of them, and I'll give you guys obviously the code and all that good stuff with it, so you can have a look at. For those people that just subbed recently because of the programming tutorials, thanks for that. But if you feel like not getting anything for a few months is too bad, then feel free to unsub. It's fine. For those that I helped, that's great. If you want to do a third-person game, I'd recommend you follow my FPS tutorial and just change the camera on it, move it back a little bit and to the left or to the right, which is when most of them are usually. Just changing them back, and I think that's pretty much it. I hope to continue this. If things go really bad and I can't get access to my my dad's PC, then I won't be able to write any of this. I'll have to. I don't know what I'll do. I'll probably just kill myself if I can't program. No, I'm joking. But what I'll do is I'll try and work on it. If I can't, I'll have to. As soon as I get back when I'm settled again, then I'll work on this again because I need to find a new place and stuff. But I'll work on this as soon as I'm back, and I'll have some good updates hopefully by then, because there's quite a few things I've been working on. So yeah, once again, if you want to download this game, just get it from the description, and I hope it helps you. So thanks to everyone for watching my videos, and see ya.